Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rows in Google Sheets. So in here, I already have my data, and if you guys want to add rows, it's basically so easy. For example, I want to add rows in the middle of this data, so you can just click on the data like this at the number or at the rows number and right click, and you'll find whether you want to you'll find the option. If you want to add a row above, you can just click on this, but if you want to add it below, just click on this. So I'm going to just click on above. Like this, the row will be added. But if you want to add more than one row, you can block, for example, 3 or 4 rows like this, and right click, and you'll find this option like this. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can add or insert more rows in your Google Sheets. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.